You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this stocking is for your brother.
Willie?
Willie. Take it to Willie.
Thank you. Oh, thanks.
This stocking is for you. You can put it in the center with all the gifts.
I have one for me.
Okay.
This stocking is for Mommy. You can put it on this sofa. And this stocking is for Daddy. You can give it to him.
For you. Thank you so much.
Okay, now, do we see what we have in our stockings or do we open our presents? Presents? Okay. So, let's see. Wait. You choose one. Okay, that one is for you.
Is it heavy?
And then give one to Willie. This is to Willie. This one is to Willie.
Okay, I forgot.
You forgot. Oh, okay, you forgot.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Open your present.
Alright.
That one is from whom?
Daddy.
From Daddy. How do you know it's from Daddy? Break it. A box?
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know. You got to figure it out.
Oh.
What is this? Oh. You know what is that, Daddy? That's a PlayStation, Daddy. That's a Wii?
Is that a Nintendo Wii?
It's almost. That's it, Daddy. You can't open it.
Okay, now there's something else in there.
Here?
Here. This one. Be careful, be careful. What is that?
Oh, the controller, Daddy. This comes. Look, for you. This. Oh, you see, you can put a disc up here. Look, this goes in here. And just like wireless. Look at this, Daddy. Look at this. You can play it.
No, there's nothing in there. That's it for the box.
Wow.
Okay, that one says to Mihai from Daddy also.
So bad, huh?
Break it. Oh, what is that? Huh?
Wow, Julio?
New shoes?
Oh, Julio? Look at him jumping.
Okay, you take out the bow. You need help? He doesn't need help. That's from Mommy. I wonder what that is.
You should open one after every hour.
That's from Mommy to you.
What's this?
What's that? Run! The gingerbread man. Okay. Let's see. What is this? This is from Willie. For Junior from Willie. Let's see what Willie gave you. More shoes?
I wonder what is here.
You think that's more shoes? Hmm.
Wow.
What is that?
Super Mario.
Yeah. Hmm. There's more in that box. Look, Mihai, there's more stuff in that box. No, in this one. Here. This one.
Which one?
That one. Wow, look at that.
Wow, for you?
Nothing else in this one?
Yeah, and that one is from Santa.
Oh, from who?
From Santa. Santa Claus.
Santa.
Could you help him to rip this one? Yeah. Can you help him to rip this one open? This one I put a lot of tape, and it's kind of hard.
Can you get it now? What's in there? Oh. What is it, bro?
Oh my goodness, look at that. 1, 2,
Wow.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. Oh my goodness, where's your stocking? Get whatever's in your stocking. It's over there. Look, right there. Take it out. No, just turn it upside down.
Oh. Huh?
Here we go. Oh my goodness. So many candies.
Dump it.
Dump it over.
Turn.
Oh, what?
What are those?
Put the stocking upside down and then put everything on the floor.
Hey,
Oh, what is that?
What is
Is that
a
a
bottle?
A toad.
A toad.
Looks like a toad.
Is it a toad for real?
So what do you say?
I wonder what here.
But don't you say Merry Christmas, everybody?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Look at me. Look at me over here. Look at mommy.
What's in my toad?
You want to see what's in your toad? But Willie, could you open your present?
Mine?
Yes.
Oh, this one?
Oh. That's from Daddy. Let's see what Moy did.
You open it. Go ahead.
Don't drop it. Okay.
That's for Willie.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Wow, really? What is this thing?
But look, you throw everything now.
Look, wait, but this is not for...
Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Run. Junior, can you just tell me what that book says? Run. Run.
Wow, copy.
Can.
It's really $5.
Don't say the price on video.